Welcome back, everybody. This is Mike over at Triple D, and we are back with another resort room tour today. We are staying over at Saratoga Springs, and we got a 2-bedroom villa over in the newly renovated section in Congress Park. If you're not familiar with it, Saratoga Springs currently, as of I guess the late summer of 2020, is still in the midst of a fairly large refurbishment of all of the rooms across the resort, and Congress Park is one of the ones that was refurbished first, I believe. And so we're staying in those rooms right now. So we figured we'd go ahead and do a tour of them and kind of show you what they look like. So let's get into it.
Okay, before we get to the actual room tour, I did want to take a quick second and say, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notifications. We do publish content like this every single week, or at least we try to. We do rooms, resorts, food, dining, the parks, Disney Springs, you name it. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. So you can see what the outside looks like here. Let's go ahead and take a little look around, and then we're going to go inside. All right, we're all the way to the front door. You ready to go in? Let's go see. And holy cow, is this living room and kitchen area amazing. For a Disney World resort, this refurbishment is kicking off with a bang, and kind of Carla and I's opinion. You know, those beautiful hardwood floors that you see here, a sitting area, couch, a dining area, the kitchen, and I don't think I mentioned it earlier, this is a DVC resort, and so all the rooms come with full-size kitchens. As you can see, a big stove, full fridge, microwave, has a sink, dishwasher. It has everything you can kind of want for your own home. So you can kind of stay a while, and that's kind of what the intent of these rooms is so you can feel like you're at home. You can cook, hopefully save a little money on dining. Excellent room. They have a nice TV. This is an excellent choice for people who want to stay longer, and this refurb is really nice. One of the things we really liked is, as you look around the living room and the dining area, are all these nice little touches that are consistent with the resort theme, kind of very equestrian, horse-driven. So you see the kind of straps that are very leather, kind of reminds you of what you might find on a bridle or something else for horses. You see the nice little statue of Mickey, which brings in Disney theming. You've got the horse trophy, if you want to call it that. Again, it's all very on point with a theme, but it's not over the top. It doesn't punch you in the face. It's elegant. It looks great. Excellent looking room. Carla and I can't say enough about it. Before we move to the other bedrooms, I did want to show how the Murphy beds work, and yes, that's plural too. Here's the first one, which is a queen size pull down. Pulls down really easy. It's again queen size, so it's nice and large. Love the mural back there. So if you can't tell, it's Donald and Daisy on the patio, and then Mickey and Minnie kind of swinging or sitting underneath the tree. Excellent kind of theming, very similar to what you can find over at Riviera Resort when we were over there. We'll link to that review or room tour in the cards above. Here's the second pull down. Not a Murphy bed, but it does pull out, again, similar to what we found at Caribbean Beach, where you find a little single sleeper. This is where Anna likes to sleep. Love the theming. You find Goofy on the horse. Excellent consistency in theme, and that bed is really useful for kids, as we have found with ours. So that's kind of the living room as a whole. Really a great space. This refurb has gone off well. We have been unbelievably pleased by it. Now, let's go check out the first bedroom, which is the master bedroom. And as you enter the master bedroom, you immediately notice the bed, the nice kind of leather padded headboard, the photos above it, which we'll have a little closer shot here in a second. Really nice, well appointed again. It's got good space. feel like you can kind of come and stay for a while. Again, that's kind of the point of DVC resorts, is to kind of make you feel like you're at home. It's a queen bed only. It's not a king. It looks quite large. Carla and I even commented that it felt like there was tons of room. The theming is, again, subtle but Disney. You can see in these pictures, you see lots of Disney characters kind of photoshopped into the different images, still very equestrian. One feature we did like is underneath the beds, and a lot of the Disney refurbs lately, you'll find room under the bed to store your luggage, so you're not feeling like it's just stuck everywhere. And the refurb does come with power ports that include USB chargers. So again, it's very modern, provides a lot of the amenities that you're looking for in a more recently updated room. Definitely a place that you should find great utility in. I think that's pretty much everything for the master bedroom. Let's go check out the master bath. Now the master bath is, again, on point. Beautiful. Love the backlit mirror. Lots of room. Got the deep tub that we have here. Plenty of room. There's 2 sinks. You only see one kind of right here where the tub is. There's another one where the shower is. Plenty of room for, Carla and I to kind of have our different spots to put everything. Beautiful. It's elegant. Love the blue wall for a little splash of color. It is really well done. There's a closet if you want to hang up your stuff. Got plenty of room. You find an ironing board and all that type of stuff. Then off of that room is where the shower is. You can see there's another sink, which is the one that I used. The shower head is another rainfall type shower. We encountered these over at Old Key West. We'll link to that room tour as well up here. Found really good water pressure there. Not bad at all. So let's go check out the second bedroom where the kids stayed. And as we come into the second bedroom, you'll notice there are 2 queen beds. Yes, that's right. They are queens. They're not full size. So a little bit more room. But again, the consistency of theming continues to permeate through all of this. I like the green wall right there behind the beds to give the room a little bit of pop, a little bit of splash of color. You'll notice that the floors here are actually wooden. So the only room that has carpet in it is the master bedroom. I don't know if that's a big deal breaker or not. I get why Disney does it, because they want to kind of keep the rooms easy maintenance. Most of their rooms are going towards wooden floors. But just so you know. Again, though, space, room, elegance. It feels very refined. A nice resort for whether it's kids or other adults. Anna and Elsa slept in here, and they love this room. They loved having beds to themselves, which probably a 9-bed, a room that sleeps 9 or a resort room that sleeps 9 is probably a little overkill for us, but not bad for them. You see the USB jacks in the dresser right there. So again, you kind of very recent amenity updates. Like the pictures here, you got the horse, you got the Mickey ears on the jockey helmet, the little prize ribbon, wonderful little themes. Just like the master bedroom, you do find room underneath the bed to store your luggage, so your luggage isn't out. Again, sticking with that feel of a place that you're going to stay a while. It's like being at home. There is a small bathroom here, as you can see. Has 2 sinks, which we love. Gives kids room to spread out. They're not fighting with each other about sink space. And then in the door on the left, there is a commode and shower. So that's kind of what the bedroom looks like. So we're going to wrap up the video here with a little quick tour, if you want to call it that, of the balcony. So every single resort room here comes with either a balcony, or if you're on the first floor, you'll get just a little walkout with a sliding glass door with a set of chairs. In our case, we got this nice little view. Again, we were staying over in Congress Park. So the views will be a little different depending on where you are. I kind of walk the whole grounds, and they're fairly similar with these courtyards in the back, although it is nice being near Disney Springs and being able to see kind of this area. But you can see what some of the other balconies look like. Pretty basic, straightforward, but we enjoyed having that available here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and wrap up our tour of the 2-bedroom villa over at Saratoga Springs right here. A little shot of the room and some eye candy, but this is a wonderful room if you've got to sleep a large party. Again, they sleep 9. You have this nice kitchen and dining area where you can cook and make your own breakfast and lunch if you want to, or dinner, but we don't generally leave the parks for those things. But it allows you to save money, spend a little more on the room, hopefully get more people in, not as much on food if you cook for yourself here and there. Again, it's that feeling of home. The refurbishment here was excellent. Really on point. Can't emphasize that enough. So we'll wrap it up there. Hope you enjoyed our 2-bedroom villa tour. If you did, like it, share it on Facebook, Twitter, wherever. Subscribe to our channel. If you got questions, leave a question down in the comments. We do answer them all the time, and we'll be back with another video soon.